Deep in the waters of Peru, a boat casts out its nets. One might think the end goal of this expedition is to simply catch some fish. But it is actually part of so much more. It's the beginning of a process that will ultimately support a beating heart, a calculating brain, a new life. The final result? Essential Source Omega-3, an ultra-pure, high-potency EPA-DHA concentrate, brought to you by Mannatech. A quick search on the internet will show you omega-3s are essential to good health. They are highly recommended by doctors and nutritionists. But there are a lot of brands out there. With so many options on the market, how do you decide what to use? How do you know which one to look for? And why exactly are omega-3s so important to our health in the first place?
Omega-3s are something that you have to get from a dietary source. Your body can't make omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, things like EPA and DHA, have a very important role in developing human cognitive functioning, brain functioning. It also has a very strong effect on cardiovascular functioning within the body. The problem is that omega-3s are much harder to get from a dietary source, common dietary sources, than omega-6.
For centuries, people maintained this balance by more natural diets. But current commercialized farming practices and a lack of free grazing have led to over-processed foods. This may leave us in a nutrient-deficient, unbalanced state lacking in omega-3.
In the modern diet, the average person is simply receiving too much omega-6. Now, if you have omega-6 in the correct ratio, that's actually very good for your health. But if you have too much omega-6, that creates an unhealthy imbalance. When you use vegetable oil, that's high in omega-6. Bottom line is, in the modern diet, there's really too much omega-6 available. It upsets that balance. So today, I think the most intelligent thing for us to do is to supplement omega-3.
So, what is the best omega-3 and where should it come from? There are several types of omega-3 fatty acids, but the two most important and functional to health are EPA and DHA. These two have been scientifically proven to serve as a critical link in supporting cardiovascular and cognitive health and are being studied for a number of other benefits as well. Both are also highly recommended for pregnant women and nursing mothers, but only when they come from safe sources.
The most important source and the most efficient source for omega-3 essential fatty acid is cold water fatty fish. Now that may present a bit of a problem sometimes because there's a great deal of pollution and contaminants in the oceans today. You have to be sure that when you obtain your omega-3s that they're in the right form, that would be EPA, DHA, and that they are pure.
Mannatech's Essential Source omega-3 supplements were designed specifically with all of this in mind. Through a patented two-step molecular distillation process, contaminants are eliminated from the fish oil we use, resulting in one of the highest purity standards available in the industry. This level of purity also contributes to the lack of a fishy aftertaste in our capsules, which are formulated with a pleasing lemon flavor to help prevent fishy reflux. Additionally, we're proud to say that Essential Source capsules provide more EPA and DHA than many other comparable supplements in the market. On top of that, our fish oil is earth-friendly. It's made from the highest quality sustainable sources, which also ensures long-term supply. Higher efficiency means fewer fish have to be harvested. Good for fish, great for the planet. Most importantly, every step of the process is completely traceable and accounted for, so that you can be assured that our product is safe and pure.
You know that you can depend on the Mannatech brand as being the best possible quality in the industry. That has not changed with this essential omega product. In fact, this product meets or exceeds the standards of any omega-3 I have seen anywhere in the world. This is a product that you need to add to your Core 4, make it your Core 5, if you will, as your basic requirements every day for supporting good health.